Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a great day because today is a sunny day in Amsterdam. I know you guys must know where I am going today because of my video's topic, but I am super excited to share with you my love for Ikea and why I am happy to be going there today. It's because Ikea is a special place where I can find everything I need to make my home a comfortable and inviting space. So here is Ikea. Welcome to Ikea Amsterdam, the ultimate destination for anyone looking to renovate their home. Today we are taking you on a tour of the store, showing you all the wonderful furniture, home accessories and ideas that Ikea has to offer. As you step inside the store, you will be greeted by a vast area of furniture and home decor that is sure to impress. With a focus on modern design and innovative features, IKEA has something for every style and taste. As you walk through the store, you will be greeted by a variety of beautifully designed bedrooms, each with its own unique style and feel. From modern and simple to warm and cozy, there is something to suit everyone's taste. And the best part is, each piece of furniture has been carefully crafted to provide both comfort and functionality, with a range of different materials, colors, and sizes. I really like this room. The way they organize the books, the way they maintain the combination of the color, the furniture, everything is so perfect. I really love this room. So whether you are looking to update your existing living room or create a brand new space, IKEA has a wide variety of living room furniture, from stylish sofa and armchair and practical storage solution. Whether you prefer a classic traditional look or something more modern, there is something for everyone here. All the furniture is designed with both style and comfort in mind. IKEA has a wide range of toys for children of all ages, from dolls and action figures to games and puzzles, and there's something for everyone here. And it's really lovely, and I really wanted to take all the toys, but I can't. This is the food section of IKEA. All kinds of foods are available like vegan, vegetarian, non-veg. Even you can get drinks, coffee. Really, they offer delicious food. It's not just furniture that IKEA offers. The store also has a wide range of home accessories including curtain, cushions, rug and lighting that will help you add a personal touch to your home. As you walk through the store, you will be surprised at the variety of lighting solution on offer. From stylish ceiling lights to warm and cozy table lamp, there is something to suit every room in your home. And the best part is each light has been designed with both style and function in mind, with a range of different material, colors and sizes. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you have enjoyed seeing what this wonderful store has to offer. And if you're looking for furniture, home accessories, or ideas, please visit to IKEA. If you like my video, give me a thumb and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, bye bye.